to give you a quick little tip here. I've seen this a couple times, and recently somebody reached out to me asking me how I do this. This is a tip I intentionally let get clogged. It's got some black Malaysia polyurethane 2K stuck in it. I don't know if the camera can picking that up right there, but it is full. So, how do you get rid of it? You got your pump. It can be any pump. You're gonna load up the tip like this, right? Backwards first. And just to prove it, I'm gonna click it. You know, you can see that nothing's coming out. A little bit of pressure here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna max out this pressure as high as it'll go, right? That's pretty high. So now you just click the trigger. Oh, get a little drop there. See that? Other direction. Turn it. Back and forth. Back and forth. You're just going to repeat that. And that little bit of paint in there is getting jarred loose. Okay. Bingo. Now, one little added step, you're going to reduce the pressure. Right? Bring that pressure way down, you know, to something manageable. Maybe right around 1500 psi. Lots of times there's a little bit of paint that's stuck along the walls inside the reverse of the orifice here. You can get that out if you have a pick. So what you want to do is set your pick in there. You don't have to jam it through. In fact, jamming it in can damage the tip. So you want it just far enough in there. And then you hold it against one side, and what's going to happen is the water coming out at that high pressure is going to clean the edges of that tip. And so you'll end up being crystal clean. Back and forth. Lots of times, sometimes there's paint stuck right around this edge too, and you can use that pick to grab that and get it off of there. Maybe you got a nice little Harbor Freight brush, steel tip. You just get in there. That was what was that? That's a 308. Oh, it's a 408. Nice and good. I don't know if you can see that up in the window there.